How to send multiple pictures on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. Then, tap on Photos. Here, tap on Manage as shown. And then, tap on Select More Photos. Select the photos that you want to send and then tap on Done. Select the photos again and then tap on the Send button. You have now successfully shared the pictures in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily send multiple pictures on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.